Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Plug the Pico into a 5V USB-C power source and wait about 30 seconds. Place the device on a flat surface near your router or primary computer. Open your computer or phone Wi-Fi settings and select the Pico network name. Connect to that network and then open a browser. Visit the local setup address shown in the Pico onboarding screen to finish configuration. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a device password and choose your region. Return to your client device after completing setup and join the Pico Wi-Fi network. Open the Pico mobile or desktop app to link and name each device you plan to protect. Use the app to add devices to groups for easier management and network rules. Select a remote node within the app to route traffic through that node and gain privacy. Confirm active routing by checking the app status, which shows connection and node latency. Keep the Pico plugged into a 5V USB-C adapter for continuous protection and stable performance. If you encounter connectivity issues, restart the Pico and wait 30 seconds after a reboot. Use the app to monitor bandwidth and node latency to select the best remote node for speed. For improved coverage, place the Pico within 3 to 6 feet of clients when possible. Update firmware from the app whenever a new release appears to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.